2008 Ram 1500 5.7 liter HEMI. Factory converter. Then, as you guys can see, we true dueled the beast all the way back 2.25 into his existing tailpipe, 2.25, and then we finished it off with some 5-inch rolled tips out the side there and right there. Came out really nice, really clean. Look at that, very nice. 4x4 all the way from North Carolina. Welcome to Tennessee, Mr. North Carolina. And that's what it had on it before, a glass pack, and there's the intermediate pipe, and there's where we cut it off right after the caps right there. That's where it winds into a single. All right, and there's the old tips we took off too. Looks a lot cleaner, a lot nicer. We'll let you guys hear it in a second. Hope you guys like it, and like always, you guys like, comment, and subscribe. So much better. Decibel. 116. Look at that. How loud it is, guys. Look what it says on my watch. Loud environment. Super 10 True Duel. On that Ram Bighorn. Sound decibels. Again. 116. Sounds phenomenal. Phenomenal, guys. Disturbing the peace. Let you guys hear it on the inside.